What you see here is the GSB 10.8 2LI Professional. It's the shortest powerful tool in the 10.8 volt class with impact drilling function. The short design of only 187mm ensures optimum handling and comfortable operation, even in tight spaces or overhead. But despite its compact design, this screwdriver impresses on account of its power. Its 2-speed gearbox has a powerful 13 Newton meters. As a result, it can drive screws of up to 7mm with ease. With its professional quality 10mm auto-lock chuck, the GSB 10.8 2LI Professional can be converted into a cordless drill in no time and can handle drilling diameters of up to 19mm in wood. What's more, it quickly and easily completes jobs up to 10mm in masonry due to its integrated impact drilling function. Experience for yourself the GSB 10.8 2LI Professional, the shortest powerful tool in the 10.8 volt class with impact drilling function. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.
Visit our website www.qitmeer.biz for more products and buy online with peace of mind.